Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so the live session won't fail midstream. Check your camera and mic and run a quick speed test aiming for 5 Mbps upload. Unstable bandwidth is the most common culprit. Make sure Facebook permissions are granted and the correct page or group and stream key are selected. Close background apps that use CPU or network, plug into power, and turn on Do Not Disturb. Once done, start the live preview to confirm audio and video sync before going live. Once the preview looks acceptable, you stabilize settings to prevent interruptions. If possible, switch to wired Ethernet. If not, move closer to the router or use 4 GHz for better range. Reduce video bitrate or resolution to 720p or 480p when you see dropped frames. Lower bitrates relieve congested networks. Check your encoder, OBS or similar, and limit CPU-heavy filters. Mute unused audio inputs and close background processes. Make sure you wrap up by ending the stream cleanly and confirming the recording saved. Tell viewers you're stopping and explain any brief buffering or how to reconnect if needed. Transparency retains trust. Save a local copy and review Facebook analytics to identify where drops occurred. If issues persist after lowering bitrate and stabilizing connections, restart your router and streaming device, try alternate DNS or a different network, and contact Facebook support with timestamps and logs. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot your encoder software before the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.